currently on my way to the train station. I'm gonna spend a couple of days in Nanjing, so I thought I'd take you with me. I really wanted to film the whole process of like buying tickets and getting to the gate and everything, but I got really short on time, and for a second I thought I was gonna miss the train, but I made it. I really think that taking the train is the best way to travel around China. Seriously, it's fast, it's comfortable. Look at all this leg room. It's easy, it's peaceful, and if you have a SIM card with a network around China, you can still use your phone to browse the internet and send messages. When can you do that in a plane? And you can look at the scenery, and depending on where you go, there are really amazing landscapes you can see in China. Today, unfortunately, I travel at night, so I can't really see anything outside, but I can definitely just relax, listen to some beat, and take it easy. Uh, 这里是南京站。
这里是合肥，南京已经过了。
不是南京？
已经过了。
合肥？
对。
Oh shit. Oh. I overslept. I'm in 合肥。I missed my station. And this is the final station, the end of the train line. Hefeinan railway station. Alright, now I have to figure out if there's a way I can go back to Nanjing. I have no idea where I am. I've never been to Hefei before. Tickets. Alright, I should go there. I really hope I can find a ticket. But at this time, I'm not sure the ticket booth is even still open. Everything is closed. I can't buy a ticket. There's no more train to Nanjing at this time. Not the video I wanted to make. I guess I'm gonna have to find a place to sleep tonight, somewhere in Hefei. Anyhow, 我要去饭店. At least there were some taxis left in the train station. Now my Chinese is not really good, so I asked the driver to take me to a hotel, but I don't really know where I'm going, so I don't know if he understood what I meant. So, yeah. What a night. Maybe after all, traveling by train is a bit too comfortable. Can't believe I missed my station. This is ridiculous. 好的。微信可以吗？ I have no idea where I am. There's really nothing around here. I don't know why the taxi dropped me off here. I wanted to find a hotel and there's nothing. It's getting kind of cold. Gonna have to find a place to sleep. I hate this shit. It's too cold to sleep in the park. Let's see what I can find around here. I don't know if you can see it because it's pretty dark, but all the windows of this building are open. Let's look inside. Let me turn on my phone light. Huh. Seems like a place where I could sleep. Alright, I'm gonna try and go through the windows. I'm breaking into a building. I really hope I don't get any problems. Seems like a good spot. I don't really like this, but I guess I have no choice. I'm gonna sleep here. I think I'm gonna close the windows. It'll make the place a little warmer, maybe less chances of having people seeing me here. Yeah, I think it's better like this. I must admit, I'm a bit stressed though. Hopefully nothing. It was supposed to be a nice weekend in Nanjing. I'm sleeping on the floor in some random abandoned building in Hefei. Not the video I wanted to make. Oh shit. I heard some noise. Ni hao? Okay, I hope it's not security or police. Who's this? What the f? What?
Baozi?
Baozi? The f are you talking about?
1 Baozi, 1 yuan. 3 Baozi, 2 yuan.
How'd you find me? Wait, 3 for 2? Yeah, that's a good deal. I'll take 3.
3 Baozi. Thank you.
I'm actually kind of hungry. Hey, my change. My change. The f? You throwing Baozi at me? Hey, give me my change. Seriously. Seriously, I just want my change. The fuck? The fuck was that? What the fuck is going on here? I hate this stupid Hefei. I should be in Nanjing right now. Talk about a stupid ass video, eh? That's the Baozi man right here.
Baozi!
You should check him out. This channel is Colin the Broadcast. You'll find the link in the description below. This guy shows you where to find the goodies in China.
Baozi.
Wanna try?
No, that's been on the ground like 5 times. I threw that at you like 5 times now. I bet you should try though, right? Baozi.